Is graphic design a dying profession? As the digital world continues to evolve at a rapid pace, some have raised concerns that the traditional skills of a graphic designer may no longer be in demand. But is this truly the case? First, let's talk about the elephant in the room: automation. It's no secret that advancements in technology have made it much easier for people who are not professional designers to make visual appealing graphics. Websites like Canva, Vesme have made it simple and engaging for a non-designer to make whatever they need, like flyers or business cards. Not to mention the rise of tools like Midjourney and Dolly that uses artificial intelligence to design literally anything you type in. However, some would say that the graphic design industry is evolving and changing through the increased use of automation and AI tools. For example, there are now AI-based tools that can automatically remove backgrounds from images, perform image recognition, and color correction. This can save designers a ton of time when working on repetitive tasks and allows them to focus on more creative and strategic aspects of their work. But are tools like Canva or Midjourney enough to replace a designer? Professional designers have not only special training and knowledge on how to make designs look good, but also how to deliver a message to a specific group of people. They also have the ability to understand the client's goals and solve problems from start to finish. The creative and strategic aspect of a designer is something that machines can't replace, and the human touch will always be needed for the best results. So, is the graphic design industry dead? The graphic design profession is not dead, but it is evolving and changing. There is now an increasing demand for designers to have a broader range of skills, such as video editing, UI, or UX design. The industry is becoming more of a hybrid of multiple branches, and designers are expected to have a deeper understanding of how different design fields work together. This means that designers need to be more versatile on learning new skills and technologies. It's important to keep an open mind, stay informed about different design tools, and learn how they can complement each other. The more knowledge and skills you have, the more valuable you'll be to your clients and to the industry as a whole. But that's it for me, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for your boy, and I'll see you on the next episode. Peace!